Talban, assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام.
Akkam jirta? Nagaa fi fayyaa qabda?
ويا
Okay,
أكم جرت.
nagaa fi fayyaa qabaanis. Ati akkam?
أيوة. ويا
Okay, do you know when we use the term hin? Yeroo akkamitti fayyadamna hin kana?
سيجا.
What time do we use the term hin? Does it indicate a negative meaning or positive meaning?
Him is like he did it.
Hiikaa negatiifi qaba miti?
So I positive both.
Headphone godhatte?
Eh.
Still try without a headphone. Let us see what it seems.
I'm turning off headphones.
Amma ni qabda?
I turned it off.
Firraa baaftee amma?
Eh.
Ayyee. Amma fakkeenyaaf asitti hin has a negative meaning.
Bilbil.
Hin bilbilin.
Him.
Hin
Oh, I
bilbilin
thought you
jedhaa
said
miti?
him. I thought you said him.
Hin geze yeroo jecha wajjin dhufe
I
fakkeenyaaf hin
don't.
bilbilin means don't do that. So it has somewhat a negative meaning, okay?
It's not
Sagalee amma?
really negative.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's not negative because you're just like. Actually, yeah, it is negative.
Maal jette?
Nothing.
Ayyee. Amma fakkeenyaaf kana dubbisaa deemme jechoota
Him
hinii wajji
bilbil.
wal qabate ka duraa kun maal jedhaa?
Him vidin.
Ka jalqabaa hin bilbilin jedha. Ka lammadaa immoo hin fidin jedha. Kunoo
Him gadin.
sirriidha. Kun maal jedha? Hin utaalin. Ayyee.
Utal.
Ka itti aanoo. Itti fufe kana. Hin
Begin.
sirriidha. Hin fiigin.
And vegan.
Sirriidha. Kunoo.
And golden.
Hin godhin. Itti fufe.
And forgotten.
Hin sodaatin. Sirriidha.
And utalin.
Hin jedha kun hin utaalin hin jedhu. Kanala. Kana bira jirtu kun maal jedha?
Oh, bayan.
Haa?
You wait.
Eh?
Someone's calling.
Ayyee. Itti fufnu.
Huh?
Shall we continue now?
Yeah.
Ayyee. Kana itti fufe dubbisu kun maal jedha?
And the button.
Sirriidha. Hin dubbatin.
And the button.
Kunoo.
And the button.
Hin dhiphatin. Hin dhiphatin.
And the
Kanoo.
button. And the button.
Hin jarjarin. Sirriidha. Ka itti aanu.
And the button. And around button.
Hin dagatin or hin irraanfatin. Hin dagatin yookaan hin irraanfatin. Ayyee.
And yadin.
Sirriidha. Hin yaadin.
And kijibin. And sodatin. I mean,
Akkasii miti.
and kijibin. And sobin.
Hin kijibin or hin sobin. Hin kijibin yookaan hin sobin. Aye, brother. Do you know their corresponding English meaning?
Inkijibin
No, start
is
from the
don't
beginning.
lie.
That's right. Hin bilbilin.
Don't call.
Don't call. Right? Hin feeding.
Don't
Don't.
bring.
Okay, don't bring. Right.
Say again.
In feeding, don't bring.
Hidden don't bring. Hidden garden.
In garden, don't
Hidden
be.
garden like don't forget.
No, don't forget. Don't be sad.
Or don't be sad. And Otalin. Don't
In
jump.
Italian, yeah, don't jump.
And
In vegan,
you one. And
in vegan.
golden
No, no,
don't
no, no.
do.
In vegan means what?
And vegan don't run.
Yeah, exactly. Don't run. In golden, don't do that.
And golden don't do.
Okay.
And
In
with that
sodatin,
don't be scared.
don't be scared. Scared.
And often don't come.
Okay. Dolphin, don't
And
come.
the button don't talk. And the button don't
Okay.
talk.
What do you say?
The
What do you
button
say?
and
In
do
the
button is the
button?
same thing.
Not the same thing.
I mean they're
In
different.
in the button means don't be worried.
Oh, and the button don't be worried. And Jordan don't rush. And the
Okay.
button and run pretend don't forget. And Yaden and Kijibin and Sobin and Yaden don't think. And
No,
Kijibin
in jarjarin, ato aman jarjarin.
don't lie.
In jarjarin means don't be rush. In dagatin
Rush.
or in
And
rampatin
Jordan
means
don't worry.
don't forget. Kono in yaadin
And
means what?
Yaden don't think.
Okay, don't think. In kijibin or in sobin?
And Kijibin is don't lie.
Yeah, don't lie. Ay sirida. Ay tufna kana dubbis adem.
And Boyan
Ay ay kachan
and Boyan and Gorgorin.
in gurgurin sirida.
And
Kachano.
Boyan don't cry and Gorgorin. Don't go
Okay, you will tell me it is meaning later. Okay, now you have to read.
and Iran Fatin. And hand Iran Fat.
Where is Rafatin? Here
Laughing.
Rafin? Here Rafin.
Don't sleep. And Damon. Don't go.
No, first you have to read the Oromo.
Oh my god.
Then later you will have to give their corresponding English meaning. Okay. Now
Okay.
simply say in David. Kano.
Yatin.
Ayi Kano.
And a qualified.
Sir,
In
sir, in Colfin. In Colfin. Aye. Kano.
and
Kanitof.
Owen
Sir, in Dugin. Kano.
and Coffin
In Kofir, right? Kachan.
and Owen
Aye. Kachano. Kon in Dugin jete kono.
and Britain
In Bisin, exactly. Kono.
and Bo and
In Bonin. In Bonin.
don't cry.
Okay, kono kon. Kamarif.
Huh?
What is this?
Why are you so quiet?
I'm not quite. Don't you don't you hear me right now?
I fix them.
Ayyee itti fufee akkana maal jetteeni? Hin?
Aaron,
Exactly, you are right. Now it's time to give the corresponding English translation, okay? Start with this one.
and boyin,
Don't
don't cry. And gurgurin,
ingurgurin,
don't do or
don't.
don't
No, don't sell.
don't sell. And Ruffin, don't sleep. And
Okay,
Darren,
don't sleep.
don't go. And Yatin, don't eat. And Utalin,
Where
Kulfin,
is it?
don't laugh. And
Okay, don't
and
laugh.
Ogin, don't drink. And Bitten, don't buy. And what?
Inkofin.
And Kuffin,
Hmm.
don't be fool.
Don't fall.
Don't fall.
Yeah.
Her
In
added,
Arin,
don't get mad.
don't be angry or don't be upset.
Okay. And boy
Imbonin,
and don't cry.
don't.
And boy don't cry.
Not don't cry. That is imboin. This say
Don't worry.
imbonin. Imbonin means don't brag.
Be brag, don't brag.
Baay'ee gaarii hojjettee baay'ee galatoome haa.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do the rest of the text next time.
Okay.